I first mirrored it, and then I put this one here as the main monitor. Correct here, all the way there, some over there. And then I've cut what exactly I've cut around, just a little ways in, not too deep. See, and I can open it up. What I want to do is I want to disconnect these two cables and see if it's still showing on that monitor, because I want to take the whole screen off. Let's see this one here, and just pull it off. That one, okay. The screen is still there with one, and this one here I probably got to flip it. Yeah, there's a little thing there you flip up. Hard to see it there. So you got that thing right here. Catch there. I flipped it up. Okay, that's one already. And the screen is still there. Okay, two off. Now I can lower this, put the screen down. I didn't cut the bottom off because it sits just like that. And there's the screen. Now what I want to do is I want to reset the whole computer, and this screen should just come back on normally. See, what I did was I cut around, but I didn't cut really deep here where the camera was. And I used that much of the X-Acto knife. And this was not too sticky either. Well, there's the Apple track. Still logging in. The wind is pushing my camera over. It took about 30 seconds for that picture to come up. It was a black screen for all that time. And then if I try to open something, is it going to take like half a minute to open it up? I clicked on settings. And it's bouncing. Well, and I thought I could just take that whole display off completely. With the screen completely off, there's sensors in here that tell the machine up in here that there's something wrong with the LCD, and it goes into low power and that fan spins high. But you can block a couple of these pins, but still the fan goes high. So screen back and put it under the desk and use a external monitor to it, because the screen is definitely cracked. The top screen, that is. Originally what I was going to do is I was going to disconnect the screen, and I was going to take this off, and I was going to make myself a cabinet for it, you know, just like a desktop cabinet, and have the plugs and, you know, the fan and everything. And yeah, now it seems I can't do that.